Yeah, me I said, man, I can marvelous I represent for plums out. I'm like when a girl them put on them clothes and them comes out. So here one is an online store, so you can get everything for women and more.
Hey ladies! Yeah, you don't know say a double X aka Flex amount of TOK and me I say yo ladies, when you need to follow and shop at plums_out for the trendiest pieces this summer. You see me I say? And them affordable, so you need to check them out, you see it?
You are going to people from City Face and Universe, you know, Shokobus and I represent. You are going to, I like the girl in the junk clothes, you know. I like the girl in the old brook, I like the girl in the puppy, you know. See? Hey, check out about story, plums out. See? By Goody Plum. You are going to the good clothes, them. See? You are going to pay. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Reasonable price. Because some of the girl come like, now we're nothing good until no man buy something good enough. See? Reasonable price, people. Check them out on Instagram. See? Plums out. Goody Plum. Shokobus I represent.
With you,
right?
And I'll be working for you.
So you're not supposed
Can't believe this. Yeah man, how you doing? I'm good, I'm good. Why do like I have to take you up on that lunch date, man? Alright, that sounds good. Alright, perfect. I'll see you.
Miss,
Yes.
good afternoon. How much gas did you need?
Fill it up with 90.
Sure?
Yes.
Cash our card. Hello? The cash our card. Card. The amount is 18,550.
Alright. I'm so sorry. I can't seem to find my card.
Like seriously? So oh my god,
I'm so sorry. Is it that I cannot come back?
the shift's so finished. I can't do that. I can't stand the losing. Jeez, I can't bother with that. But please call somebody, please.
Good day, good day. Everything alright?
Alright, because it's a full up 19 and it's 18,000 $50 especially for a car. And she's never done that time this time.
And I'm explaining to her that I just live right up the road. I'm just going to get the cash and go.
Okay, okay. So how much is it?
$18,550.
Alright, listen, I'll pay for it.
No, it's fine. I'll
No man, it's good. Because we leave my card already, now we know it. It's good. Yeah man.
I promise I'll pay you back.
That's alright.
No. If it's even lunch, or we make some arrangement of giving you back the cash, I have no problem with that.
Alright. I'll give you my number.
Thank you so much.
Next time on my car, please, and cancel it. And have a nice day. Watch her. Or she left for her car. She lie.
Babe, I saw you're busy. 3 days now, you know.
Yeah, I have a case I deal with.
And you can't come stay not even one night?
No, that's not Angie. The work I get hectic right now.
But your woman I got through drought. You need to come sprinkle her lawn.
I come at the house 3 days ago, you know, but you never did it.
What time?
About 12:30.
Oh, that must have been when I had the business meeting with the tour company.
Oh, okay.
Babe, remember, even though I'm working from home, I will still be called into business meetings.
So your business partner can't handle some of them meeting there?
No, babe. I have to explain the nature of the business. Mike is more on the marketing side.
So that means Mike have to be at all the business meeting them?
No, not really. Why you ask?
Angie, we talk later. I have a desk full of work I deal with.
So that means that you now come. Aaron? Hello?
Angie, some Chinese people link you about 2 sleepers to guard a container.
Yeah, you know. Them call me about 10:30 in the night. But tell them call me back in the morning.
Yeah, they want 2 sleepers for watch a container in Yorton.
So who you think we can send?
Mother send camouflage and shadow.
Alright. Me brief them. All you do is just get the information.
Alright, alright. 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 Alright
Mike, me and talk to you later. Here, Simona call me.
Okay, cool.
Yes, Simone? Alright, me come check you. Yeah.
Hear what me I say now? When me did meet you, you da run the shop. And you make it work.
I can get a cab heading to Half a Tree, please. Yeah, man, a bubbles. Yeah, after Half a Tree, I'm going to the Dancehall District. Yeah, man, 10-12. Alright, cool.
Well, open back the shop. You know me to support.
Miss Ferguson, I want you to understand the nature of the community in which you're going, okay? This village is called the Xpressionz village. It is a community for people with disabilities, and they're mainly wheelchair bound. So we have to be very sensitive about what we're doing in this space. So remember, Miss Ferguson, you have to be on your A game. Stick to the agenda. Don't embarrass me.
Real thing out there, brother, cause same thing me there saw pre, but dog, is it through a Speng family, brother?
Brother, but I know your family bad man. I don't know about my family bad man. That's why they coming at my house. Dada, him nothing live. Him shouldn't have breed.
Hear what me I say, brother. All of us we are say to the fullest in the fam. But Speng give me him word. And so the boy now forward back come give no problem.
And you believe that? No, but you don't even know, brother. I'm sorry me never, I'm sorry me never have enough time to make that body to leak out, you know that.
But brother, maybe Speng would have want to start war, you know, brother.
So brother, if I war them war, brother, the war them I go get. Bad man, I want to be a bad man. Them now, them boy, they have more gun than we, brother. War, bad man.
that me no want, brother. You get to me I say. That I go stir up the community. And make we can't keep nothing boy a farm. Free what me I say no brother.
How am I out? How you feel?
Uncle, be a pain.
Pain? A pain they have to teach you two things. One of them, have to make you know so you're still alive. The next one, a retribution for the foolish way you go on everybody here.
Yo, that boy doesn't know when. That boy doesn't know what I'm doing.
Him know him though. Of course he know him. Him defend himself against a idiot. And if the police they never pull up at the moment that they did, the world would have one less idiot to deal with.
Yo, uncle, I try you. You know, I'm talking, you know. Yo, get me up again. I fix things.
Fix things? What do you mean by fix things? Hear this. I got have a big man reasoning with Dan Dada. I beg the man them for a pass for you. See? I'm going to tell the man them that there will be no retaliation. You see when you're back on your foot? I'll ship you out. I'll ship you out of the country. Can't have a nice place and get yourself in much. You hear that?
Dada, may I hear you now, brother? May I hear you now? Oh, cause your decision, bad man. But me not trust them. Oh, your non-card, it not forget no pass. Dada just look into it no further. The boy changed my life. You shoot him. You feel like say yo everything I got just cuff up. Look into it now, Dada man. I want to take you, man.
Jaja, brother. I pray it still, you know. But I just don't want to hot up the block, brother. If you understand what I say.
Brother, me say, stop worrying about it. You see the devil me there, so I said something. So if no money now make from the block, money I can't make it so. So don't worry about if the block. Yo, brother, what you? You see them thing I have so? I be indoor greens, brother. In a few months, them ready for ship off with that. Just hear me, I tell you. You have to get rid of that. It's not pass.
So you go on, brother. In this short space of time you live up.
Yeah, that I'm gonna tell you some things it done set up here already, brother. I just saw me up on the ground, bad man. You see me? Yeah, dog, but me not lie still. Miss the ground, you know?
Oh yourself, man. We go fix things, man. Way forward.
Dada. I tell you, God truth still. Now forward back on the ground. If that boy there breathe here. But not if you breathe the same here with that boy there, Dada. You hear that?
I'm too. See this?
Pink was shutting on my shoulder now. If never move, man. Dead me that day. I'm telling you this. It's not going to say no. It's not going to say.
Nah, go so. Youth, you try for the man life in him house. You shoot him, girl. You make the man have to take for himself and then you think to try for him again. You are mad man, youth. What you do? You are you look an idiot friend. When name, dark face, you not gonna do nothing. You hear that? You see me hear nothing but no retaliation. A
gunshot. I'm a done shot.
So everything good with shop master now?
Boy, can't say that still, but that thing there with the Chinese people, them, brother, I not too like it. Get to me, I say.
That's true, I don't know how I code, but I put the money to good use still me here.
I'm sure that's still in a brother.
Yeah, man. It's alright, but you know the cook is like. But Dada, I touch your road and so me I knock you forward and you see it.
Alright, brother.
I'm only 14 and daddy.
Don't say 40 man back, bro. There, man. Here.
Max up that for me, you know.
That is it, man.
Life.
I agree with think boss still know that. Just ping on him never.
So what you suggest?
Me know how to get me like poorly. But naturally, I make it look like I wanna look a fool him over already and do it.
So you say you sure about that?
Dada, remember good no man. I'm quick foot here chat to, you know. Positive about that. You can't trust him, Dada. Blood thicker than water. He must protect him nephew, and we have to protect our life. Look into it now, man.
Where exactly the place there?
We are Upper Sligoville. It's not even a prison. It's like a house and them set it up like a prison.
Hear about that place there, you know. It's like Tambourine Farm.
I want to know why them have him up there and why him can't get a hearing all now.
That's strange for real, you know.
And you have one dirty water boy up there who look like him and beat him up.
Do what? But that's not supposed to happen, Simone. You can't report him.
I'm afraid them hurt him if I go load it up. Plus Carlton no want me say nothing about it. And it just stress me out, God no.
Here we go on. I'm going to make a link and see where I go on with him inside there. What the water boy name?
Must be worrying.
All I name that?
I don't know. I just know same crying and ugly.
I'm going to check it out. Because something right about that situation, yeah.
I make a short, elf looking brother. Him do this. Only God alone can come to me say and him set up Carlton here.
I'm a politician. So me no put it past him. But him brother.
Him jealous of Carlton. Cause him couldn't get him for indulge in them like a thieving scheme them. You understand? Plus Carlton he want to make a change as a politician and that him never like.
Miss Goody?
Yeah, Melita.
Somebody out here to see you, ma'am.
See me? Who that?
A stone man out here to say him know Mr. Wallace.
Carlton?
Yeah.
Who that? When there?
Him run at the bar.
Come on, Bubbles.
See me, Miss Goody.
Afternoon. Are you name Simone?
Same to tell you about the key for?
No, I know. Just say, can you help me come out?
Which key that?
Him tell you what the key look like?
Not really. You saw a piece of tape up on there with 8-4 key.
The birth date. Him tell you about the key there?
And they just set up at the house.
Which house that?
I think I know which house one. Up at the house when you have me.
You want me to go search the place?
No man. Never care. I go up, I go look for myself. Brother, where you get all of them information?
You know, sir, we share the same cell before we get parole. I'm gonna tell you this because he's a good brother. And I'm gonna try for everything. So you have to act fast. Plus, we love you. Now get involved in from the bumper road. Some cars. Take care of yourself. Be safe.
Nee.
Marcus, good morning.
Well, good. What's happening?
Boy, auntie, you scarce like good gold to blouse and skirt.
Yeah, man. I like this, you know.
Yeah, the lion, you know.
As always. Boy, Shappy, you know say the work.
Security company kick off, you know. A good look.
Yeah, man. Always good things, you know what I mean? But I come over go the couple times well, and I see the shop lock up. What happened?
Yo, auntie. I go walk back the shop, you know, because guess what? Something in our work, you know. 5. Goody. I know you. I tell me about open up shop. Go open back the shop, man.
So what you mean? Open back the shop? You did lock up the shop for good?
Boy, auntie, me nah go around you. There's a whole heap of things that go on. You know what I say? And me just say, boy, me go give the shop a break and try something new. You see me I deal it.
Try something new? But Shappy, at the community shop this, everybody know you as the shop boss. So you mean try something new? No, man. You better open that back.
Boy, auntie, me really go fly up at the shop still. Because right now, you 5 and Goody tag team like some wrestling thing. You see me I deal it. So me go fly up the shop. I just go to the Foxy boy, them China boy are forward and them thing ever we can't compete with them price, but me go restock. See me? Me go fly up the door them. Watch your face, man. You know the code.
And code is life. Like how food is the staff of life. So you try fly back the shop. No joke.
Yeah, no, auntie. Shop or fly, man.
Before you say anything, Marcus, the prosecution play hardball. And you can fix that. Marcus, me's a liar. He's a cokehead. Not sure. I'm gonna deal with quick fix, bro. Grace Connolly, I play a hardball. No judge is going to grant an audience to the defense without the prosecution present. You don't know that, man? So, at the prosecution, I play hardball and hold out then. Exactly. Because they want to catch you unprepared. Right now, I need this thing to disappear. It'll cause problem in my personal life. Michelle move all shady right now. I have a feeling that she'll try to turn Tiffany against me. Then, Mr. Smarty Pants, where do you expect? You create a dummy account in your wife, your daughter, and your helper name. Your wife is a private woman. And them drag her name right through the media, say all sorts of things about her. Things never ever change. Plus, you are your secretary. You're dreaming.
That's something I tell you in a confidence, you know. Whose side you really dep on? Because right now you sound more like the prosecution than my defense.
Marcus, I'm the one person who's going to tell you as it is. Then I'm going to defend you because that's my job. Because even when we win the case, you know, you still have your conscience for face. But you see me, after this, I'm done.
You sure you want to do that?
You employed me because I'm a fearless attorney inside and outside the courtroom. A bit of advice. Quit while you're ahead.
That's very disappointing hearing that coming from you. Great men don't quit. Great men make winning a habit. And great men will destroy anyone who seeks their demise. I have another house where me and Carlton did buy. I plan to sell it. And I have some money put on. So anybody need to bribe, do your job and do that.
As always, Marcus. One total poet. Anyway, Minister, have a good day. I'll see you later.
You have a good day too, Tyro. Best lawyer in Jamaica.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah.
Miss Ferguson? Miss Ferguson? Wipe that damn smile off your face. Can I have a minute of your time, please? Yes, ma'am. Miss Ferguson, what are you doing?
Engaging the kids.
Is that a part of the program agenda?
No, but the kids them.
But nothing. Is it a part of the program agenda?
No, Miss Prendergast.
So, Miss Ferguson, what is on the agenda for today?
A 30-minute talk about.
No, you know what? Let me remind you about what is on the agenda for today. You remember that this place we're trying to raise some funds for over here. Alright? We don't have no time to be playing with kids in the streets. We have the mental talk that we need to do. We need to set up a program for the children in here based on their age. They're going to have a sporting activity that is happening here on Sunday. And we need to be prepared for that. The amount of sporting activities that they're going to have, football, volleyball, all kinds of balls. You think you have time to be playing ball right now?
Miss Prendergast, the kids were bored. Somebody decided to do something but them love for build back them interests.
Let me ask you something. Are you the one that's supervising me? Or is it the other way around?
You always tell me I must use my initiative when I'm in the field. And that me I do. Wasn't that the reason why you promote me in the first place?
Oh, I see. Your promotion is getting to your head.
Huh?
Miss Ferguson, let me remind you, there's a word called demotion as well. And as a matter of fact, Miss Ferguson, there's also something called relief of duties.
Where reach right there, so I'm confused.
You must be confused. Stick to the agenda. Do as you're told.
Yes, Miss Prendergast.
Is what? Let me ask you something. You think you can do a better job at my job than me? Are you after my job, Miss Ferguson?
It's obvious you're having a bad day. Let her go gather the kids and go back inside.
You think I don't see you? You think I don't see you in the office with the directors chatting and gallivanting? What are you saying to them about me?
She was only complimenting me about the report I gave, what I was doing in Germany.
And what did you say? Did you tell her that I was the one who instructed you to do all of the things that you were doing in Germany?
Yes, I did.
Oh, now go and get the kids inside and stick to the agenda.
So you just put them there, sir?
Yo, I saw my Chinese boy them left it. About another week before them unloaded.
And no security not there?
No, brother. Them not usually use security, cause watch it. But in a trouble it.
So it's a regular drop-off spot?
Yeah. Country people them not trouble it, brother.
So why not?
Why not? Shop boss have everything to stock out the shop, brother.
But Jenna, if we gotta go pray, people them now get suspicious, my lad.
No. Watch now. Yo, me have a link down there. We have a key. So watch out. We are just going like worker. And unload it. And no prevents, brother. No prevents.
Simple 1 3, you say?
Yo, a simple thing, brother. You see me? Cause them a walk the people them down there, brother, and I give them a tin of milk and 2 bag of rice and flour and them like something there. You see what I say? I'm gonna do the on them thing there. I just deal with it real and proper.
What a style. I go over there go look on it first. See? If it's alright, I go up on the apps.
Yeah.
I mash it up. See me? I give the landlords them one and few other things them for the people them up and feed them. See me? Make it special quick. See me? Cause I can't hold it.
Yeah, man. Which is right.
Alright, brother. Now one go. What you see after this? Right back to my shop. Right back to my girl. See me?
Sound like a plan.
Good is life.
Miss Ferguson? Miss Ferguson? Miss Ferguson? What's going on?
Something right.
You're damn right, something is not right. Miss Ferguson, you're over here twitching and turning like you're catching heat stroke or something. I told you, you were out here too long playing this damn ball with the kids. Stick to the agenda. Miss Ferguson, you sure you don't have some strange sickness or something that you have not told us about?
No, Miss Prendergast. I just need a
What the backside was that?
orders. I don't see no key. I don't know what else to do. I could just go home because I'm there for me. Marcus, where are you?